ginagawa mo, Mila? I'm cleaning here. So guys, I'm here cleaning the recipe book because got dusty, a lot dusty, and then I need to clean, and then that smell. Yan ang simela. Yan. Wow. You want to clean also? Do you want to help me? Right. You never eat your food. You eat your food and then I carry you up here. Okay? You must eat your food. Guys, madami akong recipe book. Yan si Gordon Ramsay. So yan, kung gusto nyo maluto about Gordon Ramsay. So yan ang mga luto ni Gordon Ramsay. Oh, yan. Poached rabbit leg with grimolata. So, rabbit leg. This one, ay, oh my god, I don't like it, rabbit. Just quiet. I'm cleaning here. So, guys, roast rib eye with caramelized shallot and red wine gravy. So, this, before I'm cooking this, is a very nice. So, this book is all about recipe. We have a Gordon Ramsay, and then that's so many. I don't, magsakit lang ang ulo mo sa kaisip kung paano mo ito lahat lutuin. So I have also Mrs. Lee cookbook. This is a Singaporean Nyonya Cuisine. So yan ang Nyonya Cuisine. Ito yung sabi niya yung Nyonya is a popular food here in Singapore. So the very nice food. So this one garam asam. Yung garam asam, it sound like Malaysia recipe. And then this is ribung limak. This ribung limak is chicken and chicken also. This is like Indonesian recipe. So that's so many, guys. So I have a Moroccan also. This Moroccan recipe book. So we have a lot. We have so many Moroccan book here. So this is the onion soup. So this is this is bangos. They call bisugo al horno. Yan, bangos yan, guys. Baked bangos. And then, put potato and tomato and beef. Then, that is Moroccan already. Kung sa atin, yung inihaw. Yan, ganyan lang. Pari-pariho lang, guys. So, and also this one is Mrs. Leong Yi Su. Is about this one is a fried rice with egg and then prawns. So we have so many things to cook here. You no need to. And this is Nyonya also. It's about chicken curry. Ayan. Pariho lang, guys, yung pagluto. Iba-iba lang yung pangalan. Same procedure lang yung pagluto. Yun lang talaga. So, ay, nako. Oy, what you doing there? Oh my God. Yan si Mila ko. Hindi pa ako nakatapos dito na. Ang Mila. Ay, naku, Mila. So guys, I got look also about pasta, how to make pasta, guys, no? Pag yan, mga homemade pasta, guys, ito. Ay nako, wag na. Magluto na lang tayo ng ating pasta, simple lang. Onion, garlic, put tomato sauce, and then minced beef, then ay, pasta. I don't Sometimes I cook pasta for my employer is only put onion, garlic, and put tomato sauce. I never follow the recipe, but this is fantastic, brilliant, excellent. So no need. Yeah, Christmas. Yeah. So I need to throw away. I have Indian also. Indian cookbook about fish. Yeah, just quiet. Oh, Indian fried rice. Yeah, seem like fried rice, but the difference is the spicy. And you know guys, I got curry Bible also. No need. Yeah, I have a Jamie Oliver. Jamie is the Italian recipe. So guys, thank you for watching guys. Kasi yan na, hindi na ako makapag ano yan, concentrate sa paglinis kasi nasaan na yan na, pabalik-balik yung kanin, yung pagkain hindi na kinain, naghihintay na subuan. Yan na siya. Yan na go. So thank you for watching guys. So see you to my next video. Bye.